Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Dynamic Tech. Guys, today I have got the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 side by side with the Samsung Galaxy A70. Remember guys that the Samsung Galaxy A70 is a mid-ranger king and it is today up against the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, that is a flagship device from the Samsung Galaxy, one of the finest displays in the market right now. Both of the devices have got the Super AMOLED HD display. Guys, today we are gonna do some quick speed test on both of these smartphones and we are gonna find out that which one of the device is going to edge out on the other one in these speed tests. But before going to that, let me just give you some quick heads up on the main specific information about both of these smartphones. So guys, the Samsung Galaxy A70 has got a 6GB of RAM and the same goes for the Galaxy Note 8. It also has a 6GB of RAM. And if I talk about the chipset installed on these two smartphones, so the Galaxy S70 have got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 with 11nm architecture, while on the other hand the Note 8 has got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 with a 10nm architecture. The chipset was installed on the S8 Plus. So guys, both of the smartphones are right now turned off and I'm going to turn on both of the smartphone exactly 3, 2 and 1. And we are gonna find out that which one of the smartphone is going to edge out on the other one. As you can see that the logo on both of these smartphone is appeared. And guys, for all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel for more upcoming video updates regarding smartphone comparison, unboxing and much more. Guys, we are here looking at the phones and yes, we have the flagship device has actually won the reboot test. And the boot up test win goes to the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and it has left behind the mid-ranger king from the Galaxy, that is A70. Guys, I have already set up some application right up here and I'm gonna open each of these application one by one and we're gonna find out the response from both of the devices. But before going to that, let me just give you some other new feature in this device, that it has also got the super fast charging function and it has a battery of 4500 mAh, while the Galaxy Note 8 has only a 3300 mAh battery with a simple fast charging function. So of course with a higher battery this is gonna perform and the battery is gonna last longer than the Note 8 Plus. So this is one extra good feature with this phone. So if you go for this, you won't have higher and longer usage because of higher battery. So now let's move on towards what that was about battery, and now let's see the performance from both of these devices. And I'm going to click on the Amazon right now and let's see what happens here. Yes, and the win goes of course to the flagship device and the mid-ranger was left behind. And Zedge, yeah, that's what exactly at the same time. I would call that even for both of these smartphones. And Netflix, let's see what happens here. Yes, once again the win goes to the Galaxy Note 8. Now we are gonna move on towards the Grandmaster and that would be right now. Well, once again the Galaxy Note 8 has a slight edge over the Galaxy S70. So Soundcloud and that would be right now. Exactly at the same time I couldn't myself notice the difference between that. So guys, let me show you that on the background there is nothing else running on except the application that I have started up already, and still we are left out with a number of applications. So we are gonna move forward with that. And Flipkart, well, not exactly at the same time, a slightest edge for the Note 8. So Pinout and that would be right now. Let's see. Once again at the same time, so the mid-ranger king from the Galaxy and that is A70 is giving away a quite tough competition to the flagship device from the Samsung Note 8. So that is quite amazing from this mid-ranger smash hit. Let's see who's gonna win here, and once again the win goes to the flagship device, that is Note 8. Moving on towards survey stuff, and we are left with some heavier application here, so we are gonna find out that what happens here. So guys, now I'm going to click on the survey stuff and we are gonna find out what is going to happen here. And now let's see which one of the devices is going to edge out on the other one here. Well, let's see, there's something loading on the screen of the A70, taking a moment. So yes, and the win goes to the Note 8 and the A70 was left behind once again here. Moving on towards the Temple Run and that would be now. Let's see. both in the loading phase at the same time, and yes, the game also started at the same time, so I would call that even for both of the phones. Now Angry Bird, and right now, and let's see, I guess this is the most heaviest application of this speed test, so we are gonna find out exactly here that what is going to happen with this smartphone. The A70 already in the race, and I think it is moving forward faster than the Note 8 here, and it has left out the flagship device. Well, that is my prediction, and let's see what happens in the reality and who is gonna edge out. And yes, as I told you, and as I was right, and the win goes to the A70, and it has left out the flagship device back. So guys, that was the speed test on the application. Now we are gonna move on towards the internet speed connection test, and I'm going to set up ROM. But before going into that, let me just open the dial pad, and that would be here. Let's see. Well, it prompted up on the screen on the Note 8 first, and the A70 was left behind. So guys, we are here and we are all set up, and I'm going to click on the Wikipedia right now. Well, the win goes to the Galaxy S70, and the Galaxy Note 8 was left out. So I'm going to click on Cricket info. Once again, win goes to the Samsung Galaxy S70, and YouTube again to the Samsung Galaxy S70. So guys, the basic conclusion of the video is that if you have these two smartphones and you are confused that which one of the phone is that you should buy, so you should obviously choose between both of the phone. Is actually really hard for me also, because on some stages on the application gaming side, the Note 8 actually showed us a leaf in the performance. You have the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, a flagship device, so you should stick to it because it is going to perform very better till the upcoming year. So you can actually use this for the upcoming year without any worries because of its performance leaf, as you saw. But on the other hand, in the Samsung Galaxy S70, you are gonna get a new design with you can see the color is very attractive with a triple cam. Let me just show that to you, and a U Infinity Note style display. So guys, drop us below a comment that what you think of both of these smartphones. Thank you for watching the video and keep supporting us.